Today is 9/18, September 18th, and our title is Candle with a Handle. Candle with a handle. Okay, let's get this opened up here. Okay, I'm going to come down to this square. 9/18, here we go. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a foreshortened circle, which is just like a squashed oval, but this time we're going to tilt it at an angle. Okay, so it should be moving at a diagonal like this. Okay. Once you have that, let's bring the sides of the candle down, straight down. 1, 2. Try to keep those even. Okay. Next, we're going to put a curve around this candle because we're going to make the base. We're going to make the holder. Okay, so to do that, what we're going to do is I'm going to take and I'm going to go and make a curve, like a smile almost, underneath this candle so that this is running into this curve. And then as I come around, I'm going to bring it back and I'm going to curve it so that it looks like it's going around and behind that candle. Okay. Alright, next step is to do another ring around this ring. Okay, so how we're going to do that is I'm just going to come right here, and as I'm going to stretch it a little bit and then get it back towards the middle, stretch, and then back. Okay, so basically it's kind of like a hula hoop or a halo shape that's going around this candle. Okay. Alright, let's bring it down on the sides, down on the left, down on the right. This is curving, so point to point. This curves also. And we're going to curve in the back. So right about here, as you're coming off of this curve, you're going to curve it here and there. Okay, we need a solid shading inside here. Okay, so there's that. We got most of it done. We just need to add another little part to it. Okay, so how we're going to do that is I'm going to come off of the back, right about here where this corner is, and I'm going to tilt it at an angle and curve it up like that. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, and I'm going to stop right here at this corner. Okay, towards this part. Next, I'm going to angle it over like this at the top. And what we want to do is make this little handle that's going to be coming back and around. Okay, so how I'm going to do that is you just want to watch. Okay, you're going to come around and down like this. Okay, and make a little curve. Now I'm going to go back over it, and I'm just going to make this line going around like this. Okay, and we've only got 2 more parts to put in on this handle. Okay, so basically we've just made like kind of a swirl, and this part that's coming off, that's the handle. Okay, to finish it, you're going to come right out. See, this curve is coming off? Take it right back into there. Okay, I've got another one here and here. Okay, so now you can see you've totally made this 3D. You've got this coming right around like this. Let's add some details. So we need the wick and the flame. Light coming off of the flame there. Okay, so we've got that. Let's make some wax coming off, so just some bumps coming off the side, maybe dripping down there. Okay, and some shading and a horizon line, and we'll be done. So horizon line in the back, let's just go ahead and start with that. And let's add our shading. We're going to have dark to light down the left side of the candle. This is going to start out fairly dark. And as I move over, I'm going to lighten it up. Okay, so I've got that. Also on the left side of the holder, dark. And as I move over, lighten it up. Okay, one more bit of shading, and that's going to be on the handle. I'm going to have some dark down here. And as I move up, like that, and a little bit right here, and a little bit inside this curving part. Okay, and that should do it. Looks pretty good. So I'd like you to make one of these today. Please make sure you erase any lines or marks that you don't need. Don't forget to include your solid shading. Also, you have blended shading in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 areas. I'd also like you to remember to add your details like your light and the wax. And don't forget that horizon line in the back.